Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Professor Gadak Dhanashree. Today we will discuss practical on extreme value and multiple integral. So by using Maxima software. So first example, find the local maximum minimum values saddle points of f of xy is equal to 2x raised to 4 plus 2y raised to 4 minus 8xy. So last lecture we discuss concept of extreme value, maximum, minimum, saddle points and critical points. Today we again discuss in short. So see solution f of ab is local extreme. Another name of local extreme is relatively extreme. Value of f, it is either local maximum or local minimum value of f. The points where fx is equal to 0 or fy is equal to 0 or where one or both fx and fy do not exist are called critical points. Another name of critical points is stationary points of f. At a critical point AB, f is said to have saddle point if f is neither locally maximum nor locally minimum at point AB. So second derivative test for local extreme values. Sufficient conditions for extreme values. Suppose that the function f of xy and its first and second order partial derivatives are continuous throughout a neighborhood of point AB. Then fx at point AB is equal to 0, fy at point AB is equal to 0. If fxx at point AB is equal to A, fxy at point AB is equal to B, then fyy at point AB is equal to C. So D is equal to AC minus B square. Then f has a local maximum value at point AB if A less than 0 and AC minus B square greater than 0. Second, f has a local minimum at point AB if A greater than 0 and AC minus B square greater than 0. Third, f has a saddle point at point AB if AC minus B square less than 0. Fourth, the test is inconclusive at point AB if AC minus B square is equal to 0. Most important note, the expression AC minus B square means fxx at point AB, fyy at point AB minus fxy at point AB bracket square is called a discriminant or Hessian of f at point AB is denoted by Hessian at point AB is fxs at point AB fyy at point AB minus fxy at point AB bracket square means determinant of Hessian at point AB. Next, multiple integration. So see operator Jacobian of f of x, f comma x. So description of this operator is returns a Jacobian matrix of vector valued function f with respect to vector x. Next, integrate of expression with respect to x returns a symbolically compute the integral of expression with respect to x. Next operator integrate of expression of x at point AB. So description of this syntax returns a is definite integral with limits of integration a to b. So next first example perform in Maxima software. So let us open Maxima software. So first assign function f of x comma y using colon equal to for assign function. So function is 2x raised to 4. So there is multiplication between 2x raised to 4. So we use star for multiplication. So 2x raised to 4 plus 2y raised to 4. So 2 star y raised to 4 minus 8 star x star y, then enter. So we get output function is 2x raised to 4 2y plus 2y raised to 4 minus 8xy. So next step we have to find critical points. We need to solve the system of equations fx is equal to 0 and fy is equal to 0. So now let us find the first order partial derivatives of f. Set them equal to 0. Solve for values of xy. So we do this with the solve functions which assume that the expression are set equal to 0 by default. So as a differentiating function fx. So we use fx partial derivative with respect to x using colon using syntax di double f function of f of x comma y bracket complete comma x then bracket complete then enter. So we get output x 8x cube minus 8y. Next part differentiating of function f with respect to y. So using fy colon using syntax di double f of function f of x comma y bracket complete comma y bracket complete then enter. So we get 8y cube minus 8x. Next using syntax solve of in close bracket fx comma fy bracket complete comma close bracket x comma y bracket complete then open bracket complete then enter. So we get output is x is equal to minus I plus I, x is equal to I minus I, x is equal to minus 1 minus y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus minus I and y is equal to plus minus I. Ignore. Next critical points are 0, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. So we need to see what the Hessian says at those locations. So we find Hessian. So we use capital H for Hessian. So using colon, using syntax Hessian of function f of x comma y bracket complete comma in close bracket open bracket close bracket x comma y bracket complete then open bracket complete enter. So we get value of h. Next we have to find determinant. So we use syntax determinant of Hessian, use capital H then enter, we get output. So determinant of h so is ac minus b square. Next we have to find value of d and value of a at point x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 1. So value of a is fxx using colon using syntax subset using colon in close bracket x is equal to minus 1 comma y is equal to minus 1 close bracket complete comma differentiating means di double f of fx comma x bracket complete then enter. So we get value of a is 24. Next we have to find value of d. So using capital D using syntax subset of open bracket in close bracket x is equal to minus 1 comma y is equal to minus 1 bracket complete comma using determinant of capital H bracket complete then bracket complete then enter. So we get DETER then enter. So we get value of D is 512. We observe that value of A is greater than 0, value of D greater than 0. So we conclude that f is local minimum at point x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 1. Next value of f of minus 1 then bracket complete then enter. So we get value of f of minus 1 is minus 4. Next we have to find again value of a and value of d for x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So fxx using colon, using syntax, subset of open bracket in close bracket x is equal to 0 comma y is equal to 0 bracket complete comma using di double ff of fx comma x bracket complete, then enter. So value of a is 0 means fxx. Next we have to find value of d using colon, using syntax, subset open bracket in close bracket for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 bracket complete, then comma we have to find determinant. So using syntax, determinant of h bracket complete, then enter. So we get value of d, determinant, there is here, so enter. So we get value of d is minus 64. So we observe that d is less than 0, so 0.00. So given function is saddle point for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Next check value of a and d for x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So fxx using colon, using syntax, subset in open bracket close bracket x is equal to 1 comma y is equal to 1 bracket complete comma di double f of function fx comma x bracket complete, then enter. So we get value of a is 24. Next we have to find value of d using colon, subset open bracket in close bracket x is equal to 1 comma y is equal to 1 bracket complete comma determinant of capital H bracket complete, then complete. So we get value of d is 512. So value of a is 24, value of d is 512, means greater than 0, greater than 0. So we conclude that the given function is local minimum at point x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. We have to find f of 1 comma 1 bracket complete, then enter. So we get value of f of 1 is minus 4. Second example, find extreme values of function f of xy is equal to 2x square plus y square on this circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. So let us perform this example in Maxima software. For assign function x comma y bracket complete using colon equal to 2x square. So there is multiplication between 2x square, so we use star. So 2x square, so 2 raised to 2 into x square plus y square, then enter. So we get function f of xy is equal to 2x square plus y square. Next assign function g colon is equal to, so x raised to square plus y raised to square, then enter. So we get function g. We set up the system of equation grad f is equal to h star grad g comma g is equal to 1. So we do not use lambda because that name is already reserved for an existing function in Maxima. So we evaluate equation first. So we use EQU semicolon, differentiating. So using syntax DIFF of function f of x comma y bracket complete with respect to x. So we use x bracket complete is equal to h star DIFF of g comma x bracket complete, then enter. So we get equation first 4x is equal to 2hx. Next second equation, so we use eq2 differentiating of f of xy with respect to y is equal to h star differentiating of g with respect to y, then enter. So we get equation second. Next equation third, g is equal to 1, then enter. So we get output x square plus y square is equal to 1. Now we solve the system for x, y and h. So we use solve of in close bracket eq1 comma eq2 comma eq3 close bracket complete comma in close bracket x comma y comma h bracket complete, then open bracket complete, then enter. So we get value of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, h is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 0, h is equal to 2, x is equal to 0, minus 1, 8, 1, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, h is equal to 1. So we see that extreme values lie among 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1 and 0, 0. Next we have to find value of f of, so we use close bracket f of 1 comma 0 bracket complete comma f of minus 1 comma 0 bracket complete comma f of 0 minus 1 0 comma minus 1 comma f of 0 1 0 comma 1 bracket complete, then close bracket complete, then enter. So we get value of function at point 1 0 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 0 1 is 2 2 1 1. So maximum value of on this circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 is f of 0 plus minus 1 is 1, f of plus minus 1 0 is 2. Next third example, evaluate double integration of x raised to cube minus 3xy dy dx. So open in Maxima software. So first assign function f of xy is equal to x cube x raised to cube minus 3xy. So there is multiplication between 3x and x and y. So we use star for multiplication. So 3 star x star y, then enter. So we get function f of xy is equal to x cube minus 3xy. Next evaluate integrate double integrate. So we use syntax double integrate. So in integrate of function f of x comma y with respect to y bracket complete comma x bracket complete, then enter. So we get output x raised to 4y upon 4 minus 3x square y square upon 4. Next last example, evaluate triple integration of x raised to square yz dz dy dx. Z is varies from 0 to x plus y is varies from 0 to minus x is varies from 0 to 1. So in Maxima software, first assign function function f of x comma y bracket complete using colon equal to for function x square into yz. So there is using star y star z, then enter. So we get function f of xy. Next triple integrate. So we use syntax integrate of, again integrate of, again integrate, triple integration of function f of x comma y bracket complete of with respect to z. Z is varies from 0 to x plus y bracket complete, then with respect to y, so y is varies from 0 to minus x, 0 to minus x, then bracket complete with respect to x, x is varies from 0 to 1, 0 comma 1, then bracket complete, then enter. So we get output 1 upon 164. So result is triple integration of x square y z dz dy dx. Z is varies from 0 to x plus y is varies from 0 to minus x is varies from 0 to 1 is 1 upon 168. Next, kill all bracket complete, then enter. So we get output is done. So means removes all bindings above atoms. If you like this video, then subscribe and like. Thank you very much.